Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Suma. Thank you so much for watching. And today is Wednesday. That means we are gonna share some tutorials on my channel. So I'm gonna upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So Wednesdays are for tutorials, and Fridays are for fitness and food. So today I'm going to share with you all my styling routine. I have been following this routine for a long time now. I mean the techniques involved, but then it kind of evolved into a much better one. And I noticed many curlies having problem with flat crown area or undefined crown area, and maybe this video can help you because I style my crown area as well, and there is a lift happening. My hair doesn't fall flat, there is some lift happening. So this routine has helped me with having long lasting curls. That means if I'm going to style my hair today, I do not touch it until day 4 or day 5, and sometimes I refresh my hair but only with water. I do not use any product in between, and that is when I do intense workouts, and if I'm sweating and if my hair goes all frizzy and if I have to attend something, that's when I usually refresh my hair. But usually this is how I maintain my hair, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and you can follow this routine on transitioning hair, transitioning from permanently smoothened or straightened hair to curly hair. You can still follow this routine to kind of train your curls or help it curl better. and I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments below if you have used any products that I've shown in this video. And also you can buy the products from the link in the description box. And thank you so much for the continued support and love. It means a lot to me. It's sometimes you need that push to really work, and I think I definitely get that push from you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, and share it with your friends if you find it